How to enable or disable music videos from media services content on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Then tap on Music Videos. In here, you can choose off or on to enable or disable music videos. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.